Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying essentials. Update iOS and confirm your VPN account details so you don't hit blocks mid-setup. Open Settings and tap General to check software. Once done, return to Settings. If you'll use a provider app, download it now. Make sure you have server, username, password, and any pre-shared key or config file ready. You're starting the connection process immediately. No extra apps if you prefer ICAV 2 or L2TP built into iOS, which we'll configure next. You'll now create the VPN profile. In Settings, navigate to General, VPN and Device Management, then VPN and choose Add VPN Configuration. Select the type, ICAV 2 for modern security, IPsec, or L2TP if required by the provider. Then enter server address, remote ID or description, and your credentials. Paste the pre-shared key where needed. Make sure to toggle Send All Traffic if you want every app routed through the tunnel. Save the profile and tap the switch to connect. Watch the status indicator near the top. You're finishing by actually connecting and validating the tunnel. Use the VPN toggle in Settings or open the provider app and press Connect. Confirm the VPN icon appears in the top bar. If it won't connect, make sure server address and credentials match exactly and that you chose the correct protocol. Also check Wi-Fi or carrier blocks. If problems persist, toggle airplane mode then back, restart the iPhone, and if needed delete and recreate the configuration or reinstall the app. That one restart often clears stuck DNS or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.